So this is the Pasig River. All right, Pasig River it used to be a very very disgusting river. And what they did with all of this was that they cleaned it all out. I don't know, maybe they cleaned it out somewhere over there, but it used to be just a really nasty river. But this is the path we're gonna go to today, which I finally went. Actually didn't realize that Intramuros was just like close by. So this bridge is called Jones Bridge, and the new government of Manila, the new government, or the new mayor, I guess, of Manila decided to refine it or refurnish, or just like, I don't know, bring it back to its former glory. So they did a lot of redesigning and just kind of changed a whole lot of the layout from this whole thing, right? A lot of it has just really changed. Even more so now that I see more tourists around. There's the Pasig River. Oh, look at the little doggies. So cute little doggies. And you can see up ahead is a Chinatown. Chinatown is where we're gonna go. We're gonna have dinner. It's gonna be awesome. My last night in Manila before I go back to Australia. Things have just been really good right now. Like, the video, especially from Bahadur, came out, and I was just really happy that it was actually really good. There's a Jeep right there, you see them. But yeah, look at that. People are getting married, man. So the area that we're going to is called Binondo. And Binondo is where the original Chinatown in Asia happened, apparently. Now this is just what I was told, or what I read. But there are people here just looking at that. They might have good Chinese food, I don't know. But let's check it out. All these Jeeps are coming in. Woo! Gotta cross the street. Crossing the street. We're just crossing the street. We got a lot of the tambays next to us. Am I scared? Heck no. There it is, the old arch. They say it's a friendship bridge, but I don't know. I could be wrong. And yay, we finally made it to Binondo. Woo! Binondo, and I'm hungry. I want to eat. I'm hot. I'm sweaty. Let's just get something good to eat.